Trading binary options is very profitable. Using a good strategy and being very disciplined with it, you can generate up to $2,000 per signal. With my own strategy, I generate up to 3 signals per week. So my advice to you is to master as many indicators as possible, and you need to develop your own strategy, or you can master one of the strategies that are already developed and made. If you are interested in learning my own strategy, in the description below I created a course. In this course I will share with you everything about my trading strategy. There is plenty of episodes in this course. We will go in depth and we will discuss all the technical aspects of the strategy. Now, in this video, I'm sharing with you one of my trading sessions where I turned $1 into more than $2,000 with one signal. Yeah, so somebody challenged me to turn this $1 into more than $1,000, and yeah, challenge accepted. So as you can see here, so first let's open a long position or a high position. So yeah, I'm trading using IQ option and at the same time tradingview.com. I'm using Euro USD as you can see. So both signals or both indicators are telling me that the market is going up the next minute. And that's what I did here. I opened this long position or higher position, expecting that the market will create or generate a green signal. As we can see, until now, a green candle is generated. But remember, even with a red candle, I'm about to be, profitable. Look, it's profitable. Amazing. So the next candle is, as you can see here on the trading view, it's 100% going to be a long red candle, a long red candle. So this is why I opened this short position or a lower position. This one is 100% going to be red, but I'm predicting that it's going to be a long, internet. Look, a long red candle, just as predicted, So I'm using here the breakout probability on TradingView. I'm using the range sentiment profile, and I'm using the consecutive candle count. So those indicators are free on TradingView. On IQ option, I'm also using the MACD, as you can see here, the RSI, also Bollinger Bands, and Parabolic SAR. I use sometimes some moving, a win. So just as predicted, the market created that long red candle. I predict that we will see another red candle. Yeah, this one is going to be a red candle. I'm supposed to wait for it. All right. Look, in this case, no, just trust me. This one is going to be a red candle, and I opened the short position. I'm about to win for 94 cents. So, yeah, if we're looking at TradingView is not helping too much because I'm using indicators that giving me the trend, helping me to understand the trend. But so just look, we are back to the red candle. We are back to our red candle, just as expected. Our red candle is here. And I guess that another win. Yeah, another win. Beautiful. I believe that the trend will keep going down. So we keep going down. Yeah, great. The trend is going down. I will open another short position or low position, meaning that the market will still go down. Look, the position of the market. Look at the position of the Bollinger Bands. So as predicted. So now I'm in a safe position. Why? Because I opened a short position, but in a higher price. So even with the even with the green candle, I'm going to make a win with a short position. I hope that makes sense, and I hope that you already watched my videos on the course, on my private course, and I hope that you learned something or two from the course. Yeah, great. So look, the market is, as expected, the market is creating this red candle. Yes. Yep, another beautiful win. And the trend will keep going. I guess the trend will keep going. The trend will keep going. Let's put $3 this time. And yeah, this one is we keep going down. It's going down. Yeah, we're still waiting for another red candle. Yeah, look, 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 look. Trading view. On trading view, the trend will keep going down. You need to master those indicators. If you are interested in mastering the indicators, please, everything is in my course. I will teach you to master my strategy. Those indicators are free on TradingView. Will help you, but I'm not too much into those indicators on TradingView. The breakout probability, the range sentiment profile, the consecutive candle count, those indicators are not included in the course. Wait a minute, let's take this win. Yeah, just as predicted, great. Just as expected, it's a win. I guess that I can open a short position here, but I must open it at a higher price here, I guess. Wait for it, or you know what? Let's open here. Just let's open here because I believe, I'm not 100% sure, but I believe that we can have a green candle, right? This one could be green, but even with a green candle, we can make a win. We can make up. Yeah. So I must use so moving averages, of course. Sometimes I use moving averages to know the trend, to master the trend, and to know which direction the market is taking. So you can use those these this strategy or these indicators here. I'm using the 5, the 20, the this one is the 50, the 100. Yeah, another win. Just wait a minute for me. Let me yeah. All right. Those indicators, the moving averages. Here we made another win. I guess that we will have another downtrend coming. Yeah, this one is also going down. So the market will keep going down because if if you know my strategy, you already know that this one is going down. So another trade. So this one I'm opening with $10. I'm opening this trade with $10, and I guess that yep. So as you can see here, yeah. Look, the market is trying to break this resistance line, but I believe that we will see a red candle. But I guess that this trend will be broken after this candle. Yeah, this one is totally a win. Yep, win $9. Now let's put $19. All right, let me put 19. Yeah, $90. And this time is going up. This time I could open here. I could open here and we will see perhaps a green candle next. No, I'm not sure. Let's take a look at another. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, Bollinger Bands. I'm using two Bollinger Bands. This one here, I'm using the Bollinger Bands on TradingView, also on IQ option. Yeah, as expected, we are seeing green candle. Sorry, a green candle. But I guess that perhaps we will see a red candle. But even that, I'm making a win. Yeah, a green candle, and we are winning. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Another win, $17. Yep, yep. So this time I'm putting $30. So I will put. Wait a minute. Oh, yeah, I'm putting $30, but this one is going to be an uptrend. Trust me, this one is going up. All right, but let's take a look. Those, yeah, this one is going to be a red candle, but a smaller red candle, which will give me a win, but at the same time, a red candle. Once you master our strategy, you will understand why I'm interested in the colors of the candles. All right, all right. Here I can make a win here. Just wait for it. Just wait for it. We still have 6 seconds. Wait for it. Wait. Yep. See, last seconds. Last second, and we made $28. Now we are at $68. Amazing. Amazing. I still. So this one is going down. This one is going down. Let's put 55, sorry. And let's open a lower position. Let's open a lower position. And yep, yeah. According to tradingview.com, I'm right. I'm right. I left $13 on my balance, but yeah, 55. If I'm winning, I'm making $51. We started with $1. Remember, this is a simulation of what is possible to be done with binary option. I'm not telling you that you will have the same results once you master our strategy. No, you will need to put a lot of effort and a lot of hard work into those strategies and indicators in order to make the same profitable trading. Yep, $51. Now we are sitting at $120. Look, it's clear on tradingview.com. Yeah, it's clear on IQ option. But this one, the Bollinger Band, sorry. This one, the Bollinger Bands, yeah, yeah. I'm sure. Look what happened. Immediately after I opened a low position, hopefully I open it, or yeah, I open it at a low position. Immediately after that, we or the market created this long green candle. And now with $100, I can make $94. That's 94%, a high percentage. I don't advise you to trade when you see this high percentage because the market is risky. Yep. Yes. Now we are at $214. Great. All right. Yeah. So let's put this down. Let's put $190. Yeah, $190. I'm always leaving there like, I don't know, $24 something. This one is going down. This one is 100% going down. Yeah, I opened there with the green candle. I'm losing. With the red candle, I'm winning. That's simple. That's simple logic, binary. All right. So if I'm winning, I'm making $178. All right. So just as expected, the market is already creating this red candle. Yeah. The moving average is telling me that we are seeing a trend here. Yep. Beautiful. Another win. So this time, let's open or let's put $300. Yeah, let's put $300. What I did. No, $300, not $200. $300. All right. Now, looking at the bullion. So the strategy is telling me that we will see an uptrend, and that's what I do. I open a long position, hoping that the market is going up. And with a smaller red candle, I'm going to make a win. And that's it. Hopefully, I will see, yeah, a win just like that. Yep. Last seconds, just as expected, I didn't lose anything. Till now, we are making total profit. How much we will be? Yeah, we will be sitting at, yep, $674. $674. We started with $1. Remember, guys, we started with $1. Now, um, yep. Also, this one is going down. Great. Here, market is. So, if we're looking at the candles, the count of the candles, look, the parabolic SAR, everything is telling me that I should see here a downtrend or a red candle at least. And yeah, hopefully I opened at a higher price. I did not open at the opening price of the candle. I opened at the higher price, right? The upper wick or the upper shadow, the top of the upper shadow. Yep, another win. Great. We are sitting at $956. Great. Amazing. Now, this one is going up. Yep. No worries, no worries, no worries. All right. Green candle is shown. Why? Trading view, there's a delay with IQ option or with trading view because look, yeah, here the candle is green, but on IQ option it was red. There's some delay on trading view, unfortunately. That's why you should open your trades on IQ option directly, not trading view. There's some options where you can open your trades via trading view. I don't advise you to use that. Yep. Yes, yes, yes. 2 seconds as predicted. Right now we are at over $1,000. Remember, we started with $1. $1, and now we are sitting at 1,000, more than $1,000. I'm opening another trade. Great. This one is going down. So that's my setup, guys. I use TradingView. I use IQ options. Not all the time TradingView, but IQ options. I mastered the Bollinger Bands, the Parabolic SAR, MACD, RSI, moving averages, some different optional indicators. You don't have to use it, but I use it just to understand the trend, the color of the candles. This helped me, but it's a little bit complicated for you. That's why I tell you to stick to the strategy that I teach on my private course, and that's it. Yup, another win. $282. Yup, $282. We are at $1,500. Look, this one is a little bit risky. Let's open a high position, but even with the green candle, I could lose. See, I'm opening a high position. I'm having a green candle, but I could lose. Why? Because I'm not respecting the rules of my strategy here. That's why I told you that it's a little bit risky. But that's okay. With a longer green candle, we are going to make a win. That's okay. Even if I'm losing, I'm left with $1,200. Great. Please remember, guys, that I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm making these videos for entertainment purposes only. This is a simulation of what is possible to be done with trading binary options. I'm not telling you that you will make the same results. You need to work harder. Great. Another win. Yep. Another beautiful win. Look at, yeah, yeah, yeah. This one is going up. Oh, sorry. This one is going down. This one is 100% going down. Yeah, I'm looking at the Bollinger Bands on tradingview.com. I'm also looking at all the different indicators, especially on this indicator. Yeah, this one is going down. Yeah, just as predicted, here the market is creating, so the sellers are powering the market. Yeah, the sellers are winning. Yeah, look, Bollinger Bands, the percentage P is creating this signal. Yeah. I'm not buying. Sorry. This is made for another Forex. Yep. $282. Now we are at $2,000, guys. We started with $1 and here we go. $2,000. All right. Let's open. This is the last trade for me. This is my last trade. I guess that's it. I hope that I did not make any mistakes here. $300. But even if I'm losing $300, I would open another trade. But if I'm winning, that's it. I'm closing this session. This signal was perfect. We started with $1 and we made $2,000, and I'm proud. I'm proud. Why? Because I have one of the best signals all the times. One of the best signals I got in the last 6 months or so. Yeah, I was 100% sure. Yep, another win. That's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and see you later.